Welcome back, everybody, to Vintage Vagabond Vens. So I'm kind of excited about this new box that we have. So it's a little different than what we've been doing, so that we've been doing home. So today we have new kitchen items from 888 Lots. And if you've never purchased from there, you know, for a new customer, I believe it is 50% off of your first lot order, and 30% if you just buy individual boxes. And after that, after purchasing, you can go ahead and negotiate the prices. So there's 4 boxes in total in this lot. We're gonna go ahead and open up 2 today. The retail value is $2,135. Paid $276 for it, and there's 146 items. So we got a lot of things to go through. So, and this is your everyday, you know, use items, because obviously it's kitchen items. So we're looking at about $1.89 per item. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this box opened up, and then we're gonna take a peek in here. And again, for everybody that's been watching our videos, thank you so much for your support. You know, make sure you guys are sharing our, you know, page. That way, if you have anybody else interested, you know, definitely commenting helps us as well. So it's much appreciated. And when you like the videos. All right, so let's see what we got in here. All right, so we got a box of all different stuff. All right, let's see what we got here. So here we're going to start off with sharp knife sharpener. So these are always good to have, because knives do get dull after a while. So it looks like you have stainless steel panel. So it has an easy grip as well, and in a pretty green color, my favorite color. Who wants to pop these? Does anybody else feel like they have to pop the little bubble bags? Please let me know below if it's not just me or kids. So, all right. So here we have some airlock bags, vacuum sealer rolls. It's a 2-pack of 8-inch and 8-inch and 11-inch by 50-foot rolls. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today already. Do you want me to go ahead and open this or just leave that? It's just airlock bags. So again, it's for vacuum sealers. So those are always convenient to have. Oh, look at this, just in time for Christmas. So it looks like these are bottle bags. Mary Holly bundle. So you can put some wine bottles in there, my favorite. I love wine. This looks like it says it's Batman. Batman. So we do have, oh yeah, it is Batman. It's a travel mug. So you have a Batman travel mug. Has nice grips. It's a cute little travel mug. I think Jacob would like that. He has an obsession with cups. All right. What is this? So this is, I don't know if you can see that. It's a wine chiller with the stopper and foil cutter. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the bag because the box looks good. Just so you can kind of see that in case you're getting a little bit of a glare. So it has the stopper and foil cutter, and it is a wine chiller. Oh, that's pretty cool. For those wine lovers like myself, you know, comment below. Let me know what kind of wines you like. I'm more of like a red dry wine. But obviously on those hot summer days, a good, you know, white wine is good chilled. So here we have a 50 count, and it's premium 7-inch plates. So those are really cute, decorative kind of plates. Oh, a mini fan. I need one of these at work. Oh. And you have the plug. So it looks like it's a USB plug. And it does have a clip with it. So nice to have in the office or even at home. If you get hot. Like I do. Although we're getting into the colder months. It's a nice little cute mini fan. Oh, what we have here. So we have a 5-piece tip set. So it is the decorating tips and 1 coupler with it. Nerdy nummies. Nerdy nummies. All right, I'm gonna spread these out a little bit. And here we have an ultimate silicone spoon. Those are great to have. Mix up that icing before you stick it in the little baggie. All right, so this box is a little beat up, but it is just Reynolds Kitchen parchment paper. So for those baker lovers, can't have enough parchment paper. So it looks like we got a couple more parchment papers. This one looks like it's the best box. And then we got 2 more that are a little smushed, but that's probably from the heavier items that are in there. What do we have? Ooh, sushi. So here we have a sushi rolling kit, and it's 8 pieces. Two sushi rolling mats, 1 rice paddle, 1 spreader, and 4 pairs of chopsticks. So it looks like that's in good shape. Makes me hungry. I want some sushi. I haven't had sushi in forever. Here we have a ultimate silicone whisk. I have a bunch of whisks at home. Whisk up those eggs for breakfast. Just about anything. We got another Batman travel mug. So it looks like it's probably the same. Yes, so black Batman travel mug. Mystery bag. So I'll go ahead and get this open. Their little smiley faces. So Lemon Fresh Scrub Daddies. Flex Texture Scrubber. And it is dishwasher safe, so you can go ahead and rewash them. Here we have, it is an accessory for a pressure cooker. Do you want me to? I don't know what's in here, so I'm going to go ahead and open that. Oh, so it is just the accessories for the pressure cooker. So it looks like you have the rings and whatever this little thing is. I do not have a pressure cooker. Only because I don't really eat anything. Well, I guess you can pressure cook anything. Meats. I have not tried that. If anybody has, let me know, because maybe I'll buy a pressure cooker. I don't know. Might make things a lot quicker for myself. It looks like a little alien. So we have a spaghetti monster colander. Go ahead and get your squiggly noodles. Get them all the water out of them. It's kind of cute. Just in time for Halloween, which is what, next month? All right, so it looks like we have a few more knife sharpeners. So we have a silver one, and this one is a black with red. And this is from Master Top, and this is from B Prime. So it's always good to sharpen your knives, especially if you have a knife set, which is going to be in this box. I wonder if there's a knife set in here. Which way to open it? Well, we're going to have to open it because it doesn't show on the label. That would be funny if it's a knife box set. I think I opened it the wrong way. Oh, well, it looks like it's technically for knives. So this is actually a magnetic block, I believe, for knives. I don't have... Yep, look at that. So you can actually, if you don't have one of those blocks to put in, you want to keep your knives up, away from kids, like I do, you can actually go ahead and attach your knives. That's pretty cool. I might need one of these. Actually, I really like this. So I may have to take this home with me. Hopefully we have another one, because that's pretty cool. Especially if you have those like extra loose knives, or the big ones that don't fit in, that you've bought to chop things up, and they don't fit in the knife block set that you might already have. So that's always good. What is this? So this is a magnetic, oh, it looks like it's a magnetic spice rack. So you can put your little spices in there, and it is magnetic. That's pretty cool.
Stick them on the fridge.
Right. Up at the top, yeah. Especially with kids. That's pretty cool. I have never seen those. What is this? Oh, so this is a Clean Handler brand commercial universal headband blend mop. So it is a mop head replacement. And I think there's a couple more in here. Yeah, it does look like we have 2 more. So 3 of those, and the packaging looks great on them. All right, so it looks like this package is actually open. So we do have another sushi rolling kit, but this one is open. Interesting. I think I have more helium at the house. So we have a 28-inch giant foil Jurassic World balloon. Jacob would love this. He loves dinosaurs. So it's 28 inches. Not sure how that fits with the kitchen items, but I guess you can blow up the balloon while you're cooking and have a little party. All right, so what is this? So this is a silicone lid, 2.7 inch diameter. It's a 2-pack, super stretch. So it's a durable kitchen baking tool and coolest cooking gadget. I'm not quite sure. I'm not going to go ahead and open that, but it says, oh, and it gives you a little recipe on how to make scones right on the top. Here we have a, oh, it looks like this is to clean cast iron. So it says Lodge cast iron scrub brush. So it has these nice soft bristles by Lodge. Nice wooden handle. If anybody's ready to clean, I'm not today because I am unboxing. Oh, and we have some dried rose petals. So this is good for bath, party, wedding, gift box fill, potpourri, handmade soap. Yeah, I would just put them in the bathtub with my bubbles. Have a nice relaxing day with my glass of wine. All right, a box. Okay, so this is a French coffee press, double wall, and it is stainless steel. Oh, it's got a cute little spoon. I don't know if I can get that out of there. I don't know. A little gold color. That's pretty cool. I may need some coffee too. Coffee, wine, and sushi. And a bath. Oh, maybe the coffee first, and then some sushi and wine, and a bath with some more wine. All right. Last but not least, oh my God, I gotta take this little guy out of here. Oh, this is one of my favorite Disney classic movies growing up. And actually the remake I really like as well. So, can anybody guess what's in this if you haven't seen already? Oh, it's little Chip. So you have a Chip mug. Oh my God. I want to take this home. I can drink my coffee and my wine. But you have a little Chip. So this is a cute little Disney Chip mug. He's so cute. I have to say one of, my favorite characters in Beauty and the Beast. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get these boxes switched out too since this one's empty. I'm going to go ahead and get those changed out. All right, so I got this switched out. So we're going to go ahead and open up the next box from 888 Lots. So we're on to the second box of the kitchen items. So, if you guys are watching, definitely comments are really appreciated. Sorry, I'm not looking at you. Comments are really appreciated. We definitely want to get your, feedback on what you guys really like that we unbox, or if there's something you haven't seen yet and you want to see us unbox, definitely let us know in the comments below. You can also, we have an email now. So, if you don't want to comment below, definitely send us just an email letting us know. If you have any questions about reselling items, anything like that, just let us know.
Or if there's anything you see that you would like, we offer our items at great prices, so just send us an email.
Yes. Yeah, if you're watching right now, as she had mentioned, if there's something that you see as you're watching that you really like, send us an email. All right, so we have the new box and some more peppers. I gotta do it. Oh, it's not doing it for me. There we go. A little louder than I expected, but hey, you never know. All right, so what do we got here? So we have a Bloom napkins holder. Oh, that's cute. They made little flowers out of it, so it shows you how to make the little flower. Oh, that's really cute. So that's the example of it right there. Who wouldn't want to use that napkin? I wouldn't want to use it, but I'd like it there by my food. What is this? Oh, so this looks like it is a... Should I take it out of here? It looks like you can actually, if you have one of those purses that are just like the one open pocket, so you can actually find things in your purse. Looks like this is one of those purse organizers. So if you just have that big open purse, this way you can kind of organize it so you don't have to dig through the bottom of your purse. So that's actually pretty cool. You get all different compartments. That's actually one thing that I look for in a purse is I gotta find and make sure it has my separate compartments. I don't really like those ones that are just one big bottom. So if I did have one, this would be ideal to have inside of it. All right, so we had wine, coffee, and now some shot cups. So these are 2-ounce shot cups, and there's 80 of them in there. So that's a good party. All right, what are these? So here we have, oh, this is pretty cool. So you have your 200 pieces disposable tea. Basically, if you go to any of those specialty tea shops, you have your little tea bags. Tea filter bags. Get ready for a fun tea time. So we have tea, coffee, wine, and some other adult beverages. All right, what is this? Okay, so this one's a little beat up, but here we have Nextron garlic twister. So ginger, herbs, peppers, olives, nuts, and more. So it looks like that's like a little grinder to go ahead and twist it and grind them down. That's actually, it's nice and heavy duty. That might be better than like just a regular garlic press. They get all sticky. That looks like it's easier to clean. We have a little plate with your different food groups. Interesting. And it is not glass. It feels like it's a heavy-duty plastic, easy to clean.
Probably for kids.
Yep.
So they have their 4 food groups.
Makes sense. Yeah. Oh, that is cute. I should get that for Jacob. Oh, just in time for Halloween. So we have a carving kit for pumpkins. So it includes 10 pop-out stencils. And you have your little carvers in there. A little scooper. That's nice. Definitely need that. I know Jacob's looking forward to carving some pumpkins. So here we got, it looks like we do have 2 more ultimate silicone spoons. Star pack. These are really nice spoons. What is this? This does not look like a kitchen item.
Chicken.
God, if they put a chicken in there, that, well, what chicken's black?
True.
A rooster? Well, no, rooster. I mean, they might have. So we have a feather boa. So you can be stylish while you're cooking, doing stuff in the kitchen. Interesting. A nice black boa. Does anybody, wear boas while they're cooking? I haven't, but if you have, please let me know. Maybe I will try it. We're kind of losing some feathers, but that's what happens with boas. So this looks like it is a little carrying bag. So it is a gray caddy. Do you want me to open this? Oh, it's in a bag, so I'm not going to open that because it is, but it is a little caddy bag. So you could probably put different items in there while you're going out, or just have it in your back of your car to kind of separate things. Or in the kitchen. You can put your, oh, that's probably what it's for. You can put your, like if you're out back grilling You can put your sauces, seasonings, and carry that out in the little caddy bag. All right. Oh, we got some little cookie cutters. So here we have Ann Clark cookie cutters. We got a little, this is a snow globe and a little apple tree. I just made some apple pie yesterday. I probably could have used some of this stuff. Looks like we got another cookie cutter, another spoon. Call of the Wine. Oh my God. Look at this. This is really cute. DWK Home Decor and Accessories. So offers hundreds of exclusive and uniquely designed figurines. So that has a little wolf, and it is a wine bottle holder. So that's really cute. I really like that. Different. All right, so this box we get is opened up, but it looks like it is Oxford dinner forks, 1 dozen. Yep, dozen of dinner forks. Always good to have some extra forks around the house. What is this? All right. So this kind of caught my eye. So this is a little bed, and it is Clean Dreams. So it is a kitchen sponge holder. So you have the little sponge. You go ahead and put that on the little bed there. That's really cute. Oh. I need some coffee, or I'm gonna go on my bed. It's really cute. Here we have some can covers, so 6 pieces. So for different size cans. Those are good to have. And it looks like we have a Bubba travel mug. Nice heavy duty for coffee. Open, close. And it is BPA free. And it keeps it cold for 12 hours and hot for 3 hours. Here we have Carbona washing machine cleaner with activated charcoal. So if you need to clean your washing machine, oh, I might need this. Just kind of rinse it out, you know, from doing all your dirty laundry. You need to clean it, make it nice and fresh. Here we have Christian and Gifts magnetic set. So we have some magnets for your refrigerator. And it is vintage graphics, inspirational fridge magnets. We got a wine aerator pourer. So if you want to just drink your wine right away after you open it instead of letting it air for a little bit, this is nice to have. That way you can just and pour right into your travel mug. Or my travel mug. I'm just kidding. So here we have some more garlic twisters. I think, yep, nope, this box we did. So we got another one of those. These are really heavy duty. Those look actually pretty cool. And my favorite color. So it looks like there was 3 of those in this box. Mystery box. Here we got the Flow, it says. It looks like it is stainless steel. Oh, it's a little, what are these called? It's like a little mug, but I always forget what they're called though. No, just a tumbler, like a little tumbler. So actually, if you want to drink the right amount of wine, not an excessive amount, this is more like the right size. No. I know. Well, it's for coffee. Yes. It says, I love coffee. I use mine for both, so I'm sure as do many others. All right. So here we have a collapsible silicone kettle. You can see that. I'm not going to go ahead and open this box just because it looks like it should be shipped like this. All right, so here, I'll go ahead and get these out of here, but these are Vino Please to vacuum wine stoppers. Vino, please. Oh, these are really cute. Oh, look. It's wine o'clock. See, I told you. I told you. People use their cups for all different things. Those are really cute. Let's see if this one says the same thing. I'm just curious. Oh. Nope. Oh my God. Oh. Note to self, drink more wine. So these are nice to keep your wine, you know, get that air out of it to keep them fresher longer. So it tastes like it did when you kind of first opened it, because they do get a little flat. All right, so here we got a mystery bag. This we have, Pyrex storage lid covers. 2, 4, 6 of them. And these are new, and it's a 6-pack blue, 1 cup round. I'm not sure what this is. Tumbler handle. Oh. So we got a little tumbler, like the one over there. You can go ahead and stick that in there and have the little handle, because they don't have handles. So that's really cute. Cute idea. So you're not spilling it or dropping it. All right, so here we have a Marathon 100-minute digital timer with magnetic back clip and stand. It's your little cooking timer. We got some boy or girl plates. And it is a 10 count. Boy or girl? No more from me. Good. So I'm a 250 foot refill roll of professional plastic wrap. I'm going to save this big box in here for last. All right, here we got another mystery box or bag. Someone does not tell me what it is. But it's a box and a bag. Oh, we got some more Scrub Daddies. Lemon Fresh Scrub Daddies. They're cute little guys. Put those in a little bed. Lay them on top of the bed. So I can't really do it right now, because there's already a sponge taking its spot. And what do we have here? So here we have a Harvest Pack Gourmet. Is that showcase or snow case? So 8-ounce pet cups. Do you want me to go ahead and open this?
I guess, because I'm assuming they're like Dixie cups, maybe.
Probably. Oh yeah, so we just have regular, your plastic cups. So there's 4 packs in there. So there's 200s. All right, so that's what we have out of the first 2 boxes. So make sure, you come, watch for the part 2 of the kitchen items. Oh, I missed something. I thought that was the last. This little guy was snuck under there. So this is open though, but it is shot glasses. Oh, that's not cool that it's open, but
Yeah, it looks like it got sliced.
yep. But 1.5 ounce shot glasses. But now you can see we gone ahead and emptied out that second box. So we do have 2 more boxes of kitchen items. If you haven't already, subscribe to our page. Make sure to subscribe to get updates to watch our upcoming video. Again, make sure to comment, email us, like, subscribe, share the video. We do appreciate you guys watching. I hope to see you on part 2. Have a great day.